Hello everyone. So for this video, I'll be demonstrating how to run a C++ program on your macOS without installing Xcode in your machine. So first, you may click on the command space to open the Spotlight search and search for terminal, and then check whether if the C language is already present in your machine. So to do that, just type in clang, then dash dash version. This will show the version of C library present in your machine. So here's mine. You can see it is already installed. Instead, the in case pala, uh, it is not yet present in your machine, you can just open your browser and search for brew, and just click on this one. It is a package manager for your Mac or Mac OS operating system, actually also in Linux. And then just copy this one and run in your terminal. Since I already have mine, I don't need to do that again. But for if you don't have C language installed yet, you may do this one. Then once it is already installed and you already verified it, you can open any kind of text editor. Here I'm using Sublime text editor, which I also have another tutorial how to install it. And now we will be coding in C++ here and run our C++ code. So let's do the hello world program. So number include ISO stream using namespace std, and then int main, then curly braces, your return 0. Then let's just see out hello world. So to compile your code in Sublime Text, you just need to issue the command or use the shortcut keys, the command plus B there. But before that, you need to save first your file. So let's save this one. File save as, or yeah, Control S or Command S for Mac. And I'll call this one hello world .cpp. Then I'll just store it in my desktop. Then you'll have the file here, as you can see. Then let's compile. Just click on Command B. And as you observe in our Sublime, it already recognizes some or recognizes the C++ syntax here. Let's save this again, and then let's issue the command B there. And as you can observe, there was an executable file generated, and the output was also displayed on the bottom part of our Sublime. Actually, you can also use other text editors such as VS Code, but I'm more comfortable using Sublime. That's why I'm using Sublime. And here's the hello world output. And if you double click on this one also, it will open in the terminal, and you can also see here the hello world. However, if you are dealing with inputs, uh, our Sublime cannot interact with it, and that's why we will be opening our program using the executable format. So let's try. I'll declare int n, then I'll let the user input the number. So cout, so and then enter n. If you want to make it descriptive, enter value for n. Then cin n, Then let's just do some display. So for I less than n, I plus plus. So let's just do a simple counting. C out I, then space. There. So here's our code. And to again compile, use command B. And you will have this one. However, even if you enter something here, Sublime will not do anything since it is not capable of interacting. I'm not sure if there's an update now, but as of the moment, based on what I know, it's not yet possible. And with that, let's just click on the compiled code here, the executable file. And there's here enter value for n. I'll put 12 and then enter. Then as you can see, it generated 0 to 11 since this is our condition. And so that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you learned something and apply it in your uh, machine, and it helped you know in your how if you don't want to install Xcode in your Mac. So thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe and like button for more tutorials. Yeah. So thank you again.